Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of BB Essentials. My roommate just moved out, so I decided to turn this room into a guest room, and I'm gonna start with the closet. If you are new to this channel, thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and share this video. To my subscribers, thank you so much for being true to this channel. You guys make it possible. I removed the old wire shelf, then I patched the wall. I'm not good at patching walls, but it turned out to be okay. After patching the wall, I use a wet sponge to take out the excess compound. I let it dry for a couple of hours, then I give it 2 coats of my universal grade paint. After prepping the walls, I used 2x4s to make a base for my organizer. And just so you guys know, I kept the baseboard. I didn't think it was necessary to take them out. I went to Home Depot and got me a 4x8 feet laminated whiteboard. I had them cut it to size, and that's all I needed for the closet. I thought about building my own drawers for this closet, but I went on Amazon and I found these 2 beautiful closet-made stackable drawers on sale. I will list the link in the description box. here I'm using 1x2 wood as a support for the top shelf. As you guys continue to watch this video, please give me a thumbs up, share this video, and for those of you who haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, hit the bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. I give my 1x2 and my 2x4s 2 coats of white paint, and I also spray painted the drawers handles with 2 coats of gold spray paint. After I finished putting all my shelves together, I went and purchased this white 3/4 inch PVC trim at Home Depot. I attached it to the closet using my nail gun, and then I gave it 2 coats of white paint. I attach my closet rods and voila guys, this is it. This is the end result. I absolutely love this closet. This is what the closet looks like, guys. I am absolutely in love with this closet. Please give me a thumbs up, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Ciao, ciao.